600 rats in a duffel, you either you with us or ain't, you ain't as fuck you. We came in this bitch, 2 Glock, 4 pounds in a 10, so we ain't gon' rumble. You get some money, they love you as soon as you lose it, them hoes don't want you, please. Nigga ran through the money, got way more humble. 10 to a 20, I'm making it double. With 10 on your homie, I think he in trouble. Bro see me make like 10 M's and he ain't get one cause he ain't wanna hustle. I almost put a bird on the bitch, I ain't rap niggas, but I ain't wanna fumble. Niggas know I'm laying, Glock 10s, FNs, 6-3s, new bins. Fucking us 6, I'm hitting 2 twins. Better believe it, I run her this cash. I get bro, and I'm like 2 M's. She fuck good, she get in the bag. I'll call Kim K, get her some skims, yeah. Bullshit, niggas thinking I lost it, made it out of my hardships. Tall bitch, throw it back and she toss it, knock it out of the park shit. Dog shit, I been popping that dog shit, on some raising the bar shit. Car shit, you and your dog hit, talking in that hot shit. 1 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil, 4. I had that when I came in the door. I was still crack way back 04. I was still straight way back for sure. She wanna fuck for them racks for sure. He wanna kill for them racks for sure. I'm pointing everybody out one war. You a eat, I kill young boy. I'm on that Bird Street Diamond, Sasku Track Street, yeah, the real up north. Walk through the valley, shadow with death. You try me, yeah, I make it real out north. I got dispatch of this shit like electric. I gave it a car, it's still out north. Right on the block, it's still out north. I'm my top, got hitters out north. 600 rats in a duffel, you either you with us or ain't, you ain't as fuck you. We came in this bitch, 2 Glock, 4 pounds in a 10, so we ain't gon' rumble. You get some money, they love you as soon as you lose it, them hoes don't want you, please. I'm doing this shit with ease. She a little hood bitch, mean as fuck for me, she get on them knees. Real hood nigga, I'm rockin' the patty, this shit like 300 piece. Bro, and I'm pushing that weed, gon' live on niggas real quick like speed. You did, too much motion. I went callin' and follow the ghosts. Niggas ain't having the way that we having, they get on some hoe shit. Run at the rackies, niggas turn into actors and get on some bro shit. She go to wave and surf the Lambo yacht real fast in the ocean. Been through your block on a big boy coaster. On 12, what the hell? Get paid, fuck jail. G43, this bitch talk well. She get paid and play with that water, I'm eating her out, this bitch on scale. She fuck well instead of herself. OB, hey, go get a Chanel. Nigga, I'm made, I sit in the cell before I tell and sit in the cell. So many nights, they ain't give me no bell. We was all locked up, sitting in jail. Now Dubai on the yacht, we sell. Every big dog don't know Meek Mill. I just told her my name around me. 10 Roy coming through like a sheep. Chase, 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 chase. 600 rats in a duffel, you either you with us or ain't, you ain't as fuck you. We came in this bitch, 2 Glock, 4 pounds in a 10, so we ain't gon' rumble. You get some money, they love you as soon as you lose it, them hoes don't want you, please.